Yo, what up, guys? New model for gold. I'm kind of straying away from NQ. It's been doing some bullshit thing where we go, yeah, yeah, chop, chop, chop. There's like maybe 2 days out of the fucking week that it's good. And we're at all-time highs on NQ. I hate it. We also are on gold, but it's really textbook. And I'm gonna break down my new model for this. And honestly, I don't even know what win rate this is. This win rate must be insane. Because the two losses that I shown were just I didn't follow my model fully. If I followed my model fully, those would have been wins, and I wouldn't have had a single loss on this new model. So yeah, um, let me get into it right now, boys. Alright, so you see my checklist on the left. Oh my gosh, I just stuttered. Checklist on the left. The main thing we're going to be focusing on is volume imbalances and low resistance liquidity. So, before I get into this, gold has this little pattern in how we move. We like moving in ranges like this, and then we go to 50% equilibrium, retrace. Then maybe we short, catch reversal, and then retrace. And then we're making these ranges in the market. We're making these ranges, okay? And they're all generating liquidity to get swept. All of them. It's just a matter of finding a good reversal point and maybe finding an imbalanced market. Because if price is ranging all the time and we're finding equilibrium, that means we're in a balanced market. Order flow wise, order flow speaking. We're reaching fair value from buyers and sellers. They're agreeing on a price. But with the ranges we can still catch reversals in a balanced market. So yeah. This is what it's gonna really look like. So low resistance liquidity on the 1 minute. I'm considering that low resistance liquidity. You don't have to, but it's just 1 minute range. It's just low resistance that we can target and take profits from. So low resistance liquidity and volume imbalance is going to be on that initial move, a really small gap. IFEG and equilibrium are optimal, or oh my gosh, optional. They are optimal, yes. They're pretty optimal for entries, but they're optional. Okay, so maybe we can catch an IFEG here or here, and then maybe when we come from, let's say there's a range here, we come into equilibrium and then retrace off. Or we can just find some lows or high time frame PD arrays to react off of. Key opens are like half and half. Since this model is gonna get traded at 7 a.m. Eastern time to about 9 a.m. Eastern time, we're not going to take that 10 a.m. Eastern time key open. So we're going to have to use midnight open or true day open. So usually midnight open works great. I'm not going to enter off the midnight open, maybe a retracement, but we want to see rejection and show reversal in that retracement. So yeah, let me just recap these trades. Honestly, I could have caught bigger moves, but for this model, I set my risk to reward ratio to 1 to 5. So that's what I targeted. And yeah, let me get into this. So you already see here that we are ranging on gold. Ranging. See, range. It's a whole range in price. I marked it out in my fib. Equilibrium hit. Actually, we hit 705. 705 is just, price gets really aggressive around here, and you can see, got very aggressive. So, yep. For my low time frame entry, we just took these volume imbalances. Okay, what is a volume imbalance? It's a gap between candle bodies, basically, simplified. So it would look like this. You see this candle and this candle? Gap, okay? Which is the right volume imbalance? Because you see so fucking many. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one? We're going to want to get the most premium / discount entry on our entry. So what is that going to be? The lowest or highest volume imbalance. I entered in the wrong volume imbalance. I entered fucking like a little bit below here. Because I don't know, alpha ticks, I just moved over to there. I can't figure out limit orders. I'm a dumbass. So I'm just clicking buy market orders and just waiting for price to hit my thing. where I can get a way better entry with limit orders. So I got to figure that out. Yeah, and set my stop at the low. Gives me a tight stop. This was 1 to 5. And targeted a 5-minute FVG with a 5-minute volume imbalance. I thought price could reverse from there, so I wasn't too sure. Took profits there. And yeah, that was the first trade. And for the second trade, this is a little different now. This is a little different. I love treating volume imbalances as IFVGs, or FVGs also. Because you see this bearish volume imbalance gets inverse. It gets closed above, inversed. Okay, I'm treating it like a fair value gap. Price retraces 50%, bottom tick, boom, boom. Target this 1-minute external, boom, hits take profit. But this shit ended up running maybe to like fucking all-time highs actually. Yeah. I'm gonna leave a runner to all-time highs tomorrow if we're not choppy, honestly. But yeah, that's the model. And if you guys think I'm a fucking fake scammer and want to scam me out of a mentorship, bro, like honestly, it's $10 a month. You don't have to pay for it. I'm still gonna be posting YouTube videos. I just made a Discord server. We already got some people in there from like Europe, UK, Asia. It's pretty funny. Like I don't really talk to people from other countries, but yeah, building a little community. I'll put it in the description. You guys can join up if you want. I'm also doing my mentorship in there, helping out other beginner traders, advanced traders who are struggling with whatever, just let me know. And yeah, let me show you guys these executions because, bro, I don't want to be fake. I want to show my losses. I want to show my wins. And yeah, entry, entry. Like I want to be as real as I can with you guys. Be as most transparent as possible. Like show you how I take my trades, how I do them. And yeah, and be real about it. Because I'm not no fucking oxy on here, bro. And I'm not trying to get doxxed too. You see these fake traders, man, they get doxxed instantly. So yeah, enough of that shit. Enough of the advertising, the Discord, the mentorship. Join up if y'all want. I'll be here to help. And yeah, that was the model. If you guys have any other questions, let me know. I think I'm gonna target higher RR because gold is moving a lot more in my favor because my stop is so tight. So I might target like 1 to 8, 1 to 12, around there. Maybe go. Keep stuttering. Go break even at 1 to 5 or 1 to 4, somewhere around there. But yep, I'll see you guys. Thank you for the support and love. I'll be making more videos. Leave some comments and yeah, thank you. See ya.